Okay, but which side do you want?
We are currently grouting the, we're using a 4,000 pound PSI with rock, 80 pound bags. And basically what we're doing is we've already built a pad underneath it. You can kind of see it over here, a square pad set underneath it. About 4 inches of rock and concrete. Set this on top, the tank on top, and then the lift station on top. And now we're grouting the top to give it a second level of weight and structure so that it doesn't float. The biggest problems with all lift stations is they like to float. So when the rains come and the soil gets saturated, then the upward pressure wants to raise the lift station out of the ground. Even if it only lifts it an inch or two, it can stop functioning properly. It can make your sewer line not operate in the manner that it's supposed to operate in. So that's kind of the goal of what we're trying to do here, is trying to get enough concrete around the outer edge. We're troweling in some of the outer edges and creating a second. They call it a donut, a float, anti-float donut is the term. And this is the last thing we do before we start to wire it up and to make the connection for the sewer line into the tank. And then this is the infall coming from the house about 120 feet up the road there, or up the hill. And then, as I said, down we go into the lift station. This is a macerator, 2 pumps with a control panel back over here at a later date. And that control panel will give us the ability to have a duplex system here with 2 pumps that turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, back and forth. And the discharge line here going out to a force main for St. Johns County utilities. This is down in lower St. Johns County, St. Augustine, Florida, Crescent Beach, Florida. And it's ASAP Plumbing, 904-346-1266. ASAP Plumbing, 904-346-1266. We specialize in plumbing, been in business over 30 years, and we are a lift station, licensed lift station operator, and this is one of our lift stations that we're putting in.